Have you ever wondered why some people achieve massive success while others struggle for years? What if I told you success is not just about luck or talent, it's about how your brain is programmed? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to rewire your brain for unstoppable success using science-backed methods. The science of brain programming. Your brain operates like a computer. It runs on programs that shape your thoughts, habits, and decisions. These programs are built from childhood experiences, environment, and repeated thoughts. Key facts. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself based on repeated experiences. If you always think, "I'm not good with money," your brain reinforces that belief, making financial success harder. Main point, you can reprogram your brain to think like a successful person. Here's how. Step 1, rewire your thoughts. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly think negative thoughts, your brain strengthens those neural pathways. The fix? Start replacing negative self-talk with empowering beliefs. Action steps. Instead of, "I'm bad at this," say, "I'm learning and improving." Instead of, "I don't have enough time," say, "I make time for what matters." Scientific fact, studies show that positive affirmations activate the brain's reward system, making you feel more capable. Step 2, upgrade your environment. Your brain is constantly absorbing information from your surroundings. If you're surrounded by negativity, you'll absorb negativity. If you surround yourself with success-driven people, guess what? You'll start thinking and acting like them. Action steps. Declutter your space. A clear space leads to a clear mind. Follow successful people, read books, watch inspiring content, and engage with growth-minded individuals. Cut out negativity, unfollow toxic accounts, limit time with negative people. Scientific fact, spending time with high achievers rewires your brain to adopt their mindset. Step 3, take massive action. Your brain adapts to what you do, not what you think about doing. To truly reprogram your brain for success, you need to take action, every single day. Action steps. Set clear goals, know exactly what you want. Build success habits, read, exercise, meditate daily. Track progress, small wins create big results. Scientific fact, according to the dopamine reward system, achieving small goals releases dopamine, making you crave more success. Your brain is your most powerful tool. By rewiring your thoughts, upgrading your environment, and taking action, you can program yourself for unstoppable success. Now, it's your turn. Comment below, which step are you starting with today? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more success strategies.